Welcome to Citrine Merchant Services. Do you find your merchant statement confusing? Well, you're not alone. Unfortunately, processors intentionally make it confusing to read their statements. This is done to hide fees and maximize their profits. Here's a quick tutorial on how to read your Chase Paymentech merchant statement. Chase first entered the processing market in the year 1985. Paymentech was created in the year 1997 as a joint venture between Chase Merchant Services and First Data Corporation. First USA was acquired by Bank One. In 2002, Paymentech acquired the merchant portfolios of Citibank and Scotiabank. In 2002, Bank One merged with JP Morgan during the banking fiasco that was going on at the time. In 2005, Chase Merchant Services fully integrated with Paymentech, creating Chase Paymentech. In 2008, JP Morgan announced the end of the joint venture with First Data and became a subsidiary of JP Morgan Chase, becoming the company that it is today. Although Chase is a long-time prestigious name in the financial world, it is just a name purchased by JP Morgan. This is your Chase Paymentech statement. The first page is informing you of any information or rate increases that may be relevant to your account. On page 2, under Card Type Summary, you'll find a breakdown of the types of cards you've accepted, the volume, and average ticket price. Next, you'll see the section Card Type Charges. This shows a breakdown of the fees charged by Visa, as well as the profit that your processor makes. In the highlighted area, you'll see your assessment fees. This is a part of interchange and must be paid by every merchant. Next, you have the discount fees. This is the base rate charged by the processor. As you can see on the interchange table, there's a markup of 0.02%. Below, you'll find the international acquirer service fee. This is also part of interchange and must be paid by all merchants. Under this, you'll see the international service fee. As you can see, this fee is not included in interchange pricing and is 100% markup. In the next section, you'll find your non-qualified fees, and I'll come back to explain this in a moment. Below in this highlighted section is your interchange differential. This is the difference between 1.42%, the base rate, and the interchange charges on premium and high spend cards. This must be paid by all merchants. Now let's go back to the section above where your non-qualified fees are listed. In this example, there are $86.80 charged in fees. Take this amount and divide it by your gross Visa volume found above, here being $40,485.85, and you'll get a markup of 0.21%. With the original markup of 0.02%, you'll have a total of 0.23% in markups. The next section you'll see is Visa Debit. This is not to be confused with Interact. This is if you've accepted a debit card through the phone or internet. As you can see on the interchange table, there's a markup of 0.40%. So to summarize all of the fees, you have a 0.23% markup with Chase, this is their profit, a 0.40 markup on the international cards, and another 0.40 markup on Visa Debit, bringing your total sum in markups to 1.03%. With Citrine Merchant Services, these fees are eliminated and replaced with one single markup from the processor. Thank you for watching. Citrine Merchant Services is committed to informing their merchants on how to read their merchant statements on their own. Once merchants are aware of how their pricing works, it's clear to see that Interchange Plus pricing offers the most competitive and transparent pricing in the industry. With Interchange Plus pricing, you will only ever pay one small fixed markup. You won't pay any non-qualified fees, which puts your money into your pocket rather than the processors. We at Citrine Merchant Services look forward to a prosperous relationship with our merchants, helping you save money on your merchant account.